Hi, hello, welcome back Royal Dairy YouTube channel. This is a brand of luxuries. Today the particular video is discussing about the beginning astronomy and star and data driven journey, a national workshop on basic astronomy. This is focusing of the institution is providing by Manipal Center of Natural Science and Center of Excellence Manipal Academy of Higher Education Manipal. The workshop is focusing on the modern day telescope produce of observational data while cosmology simulation push supercomputer to the limits. The progressive accessible nature of the Peterborough and astronomical data set thus allow for hand-on introduction to astronomy for students with basic training in physics, mathematics and computational. The eligibility criteria is the mathematics, physics and chemistry students are eligibility, and this the late bachelor degree and beginning master level degree. The duration of the workshop, national workshop, is the 3 days only. The benefit of the workshop in this we will introducing student to some concept in stellar and galaxy astrophysics through a mix of short lecture on and on. The computational sessions with probability available in astronomical database in publicly. The interested students can apply using the below link are available in description. The motivational of the student in strong reference will be give the student from the local region in and around Manipal, but outstation participant will be provide accommodation and travel allowance. Similar workshop are evidence on future other part of country. The application process is going on. The last date of the submission of application is 25th December 2022. If any doubt, comment on the session. Start your careers, join with us. Thank you for listening.